Alright, so we have this Spa doTERRA mud mask for blackheads. So you're going to unpeel it. Get that out of here. You're going to take a dime size. It's coming out like glue. That's how you know the product's really well. Okay. You're going to rub all over your face. I'm going to need more. Oh, we're still rolling? Oh. Alright, and now you're going to want to wait about 10... Yeah, 10 minutes. And you're going to need to wash your hands. Alright, see you back in 10. Alright, welcome back. So we're going to take ice cold water. Wait, yeah, that's cold. Wait till it gets cold. And then you're going to want to start taking this off. Are you keeping up? Okay, so then you're going to want to start washing your face now with the cold water. And then you're going to want to wipe it off. And this feels really smooth. It's clean. And yeah. See ya.